Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Here's a couple of little videos I put together that updates the build of the pimped out purple push mower. Anyway, enjoy. Is Kieran. One pull, one start. My nephew Kieran was able to start this thing real easy. And so yeah, the pimped out purple push mower I made for the wife is working good. Now in the next part here, I'm gonna see if I can't catch her mowing the lawn. She did say if I got one started, or get one running, that she could start and push, she'd mow the lawn. So we'll see if she'll do it. Well, y'all, just wanted to show you that the pimped out purple push mower works. And like I said, I put this together out of 3 different lawnmowers. Well, not just me, Doogie, my buddy Doogie. Thank you again, Doogie. And this, he hasn't heard it run yet either. I had to go scrounge another coil off of another lawnmower. I rebuilt the carburetor on it, and it turns out that the coil was bad, so I had to go scrounge another coil. So all in all, this is still a $0 build, just out of old parts that I scrounged up and had hanging around the house. And honestly, I got 2 other lawnmowers that are together that need a little bit more tweaking and tuning to get them running out of the 7 that I had. And so that'll leave me with 3 good lawnmowers, 1 good spare engine, actually maybe 2 good spare engines, and then the rest can go to the dump. All right, guys, I'll try and stitch together a little bit better video than what you're seeing right now, or what I did right now. Hopefully, when you see it, it'll be a little bit better video. But anyway, thank you all for subscribing and sticking with me. And for those of you that subscribed when I was working on the purple engine, well, here's a throwback, and it's the leftover paint I had from my engine build. So we're still seeing another purple monster here. Y'all take care.